How you doing today? All right, pack number 4. We've got the Psychic Energy, Barry. Barry is a good TV show, just saying, folks. Clang, welcome, welcome. Gabite, Jurassic Park looking. Piplup at Snowpoint City, what did we say again? Whatever cavern you find Regigigas. Oh, I see a Peeker in the back. Turtwig. Might be a V, could be better. Mincino. Weasel. Vaporeon character rare. Yo, we have a double hitter pack incoming. Yo. Can we get some milk in the chat? Bro, the milk. The milk. And the Whimsicott V, the double hitter.